Welcome to FleetUp, the all-in-one platform for fleet and asset management. In this video, we'll show you how to configure and use the FleetUp AI Dashcam. The AI Dashcam provides live, forward and in-cab facing views, so you can remotely monitor vehicles and drivers and provide real-time driver coaching. The first step is to pair the Dashcam to a vehicle by clicking the drop-down menu below your name, selecting Setting, then clicking Device Setting in the left menu. The Device Setting window allows you to see a list of all your vehicles and assets and the devices paired to them. Click the Dashcam tab to see a list of cameras and paired vehicles. You can modify the Dashcam settings by clicking the pen icon in the Edit column. The Dashcam Info tab shows you all the functional information for the Dashcam and lets you modify the camera number. AI Dashcams can be purchased as standalone devices with real-time GPS tracking and trip history reporting, and the Vehicle Info tab lets you enter information for Dashcams operating in standalone mode. Vehicle Info is only visible when a Dashcam has not been paired with an OBD or asset tracking device, and neither the Vehicle Info tab nor its information will be visible after you pair a Dashcam. Click the Edit Vehicle Setting button to enter vehicle information for the standalone Dashcam. Vehicle number is a required field, while VIN, odometer, vehicle make, model, and year are optional fields. You can assign the vehicle to the default group, or select from any of your defined groups. You can also choose from a library of icons to help with vehicle identification. Click the Save Changes button to save your vehicle information, or click Cancel Edit to abandon your changes. The Dashcam Setting tab enables you to modify various settings using the Select Type menu. The firmware version shows which version of the firmware the camera is running. Volume allows you to toggle the camera's volume on or off and select between low, medium, and high volume setting. The language option lets you select between English and Spanish. Speed unit lets you choose between miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Event trigger interval lets you set the length of the delay between alerts from the same type of event, and you can set a different trigger interval for each of the 4 event types. DMS event driver warning interval lets you toggle warnings on and off and set the length of the delay between driver monitoring system, or DMS, warnings of the same type, for the 6 different types of alert warnings available. You can toggle the warnings on or off, and the duration options range from 5 to 60 seconds. DMS event trigger interval lets you toggle warnings on and off and set the length of the delay between DMS events of the same type for the 6 different alert types available. You can toggle the warnings on or off, and the duration options range from 120 to 1800 seconds. When you're done modifying the Dashcam settings, click Send to push the settings out to the device. The device must be online for the send command to work. The Dashcam to Vehicle Pairing tab allows you to pair the Dashcam to a vehicle. Click Save Changes to save the new pairing. Please note that neither the Vehicle Info tab nor its information will be visible after you pair a Dashcam. After you've paired your Dashcam, you can view a camera's real-time video from the advanced map. FleetUp displays a camera icon next to vehicles with paired cameras, so you can quickly see which vehicles will show camera feed. You can view a vehicle's camera by clicking the Video tab in the Vehicle Information window, then clicking the Live Stream button. You can also switch between live views from both the inward and outward-facing camera. The Dashcam tab lets you view events captured by Dashcams, so you can quickly identify and act on high-risk driver behaviors. The Risk Event subtab provides a summary of events for the selected time period. FleetUp's annotation labeling ranks recordings by risk level and assigns a value of critical, high, medium, or low. You can click the question mark icon to view complete information about risk levels and annotation labeling. The risk filter lets you choose which of the available risk level events are displayed on the page. The page defaults to high-risk events, but you can also display medium-risk events only, or a combination of both. The event type filter lets you display any combination of the 10 driver event types. The search box lets you search for events based on a variety of characteristics. The date drop-down lets you change the display period for the risk event page. You can select from one of the pre-configured date ranges, or enter a custom range. The Unsafe Driving Events Per Day graph helps fleet managers analyze unsafe driving events and trends, as determined by thresholds for each of the 10 video event types, and the Unsafe Driving Events by Type graph displays a daily total for each of the 10 event types. You can use the menus to print a chart, or save it as a graphic image. The event list shows events ranked by FleetUp's annotation labeling feature. Annotation labeling automatically categorizes dashcam recordings based on risk levels associated with the 10 driving event types. This helps fleet managers quickly sort and review footage from multiple dashcam deployments. Each event in the list shows the dashcam number, paired vehicle, event type, risk level, driver, event time, and location. The location pin is clickable and will open a map pop-up showing the site of the event. The inward and outward columns include clickable icons that show recordings of the event from either the inward-facing lens of the camera or the outward-facing lens. Clicking the play icon in the inward column opens the inward-facing video clip. This is where you can manage all the attributes associated with a clip. The playback controls let you play and pause the video, so you can see the behavior that triggered the event. The event type dropdown lets you select from related event types, as determined by FleetUp automated classification. The date and time timestamp show when the event occurred, and the speed displays the vehicle's speed at the time of the event. The critical flag icon lets you toggle the critical status on and off for the event, which highlights the event in red. The covered button lets you flag videos in which 20% or more of the camera's view is obscured, or the camera can't see the driver's face. Setting a video's status to covered also moves an event to the Covered sub-tab of the Dashcam tab. Click the refresh icon to update the Dashcam display. The annotation labels show the current risk level assigned by FleetUp. Fleet managers can manually change the event's risk level based on their evaluation of the event, or set the event to false in the case of false events, like no face detected or smoking. Click Save to keep any changes you may have made, or click Close to abandon your changes. Clicking the play icon in the outward column pops up the outward-facing video clip, with all the same functionality that was available for the inward-facing clip. The Review sub-tab shows a list of all dashcam and vehicle pairs, along with the total number of alerts for each pair. You can click the total in the View Alerts column to show the complete list of alerts, which displays the information in the same format as the risk events list. The play icons in the replay column also give you access to the same annotation functionality as the video management window launched from the Risk Event sub-tab. The Generate New Report button lets you create a report that can cover a period of up to 7 days. You can select the last 7 days, or create a custom 7-day range. Enter your recipient's email. Then click Generate XLS to generate the report in Excel format. Click the Check Status button to jump to the Report tab, where you can see the status of your report. Click Refresh to update the status. Click the Download button when it appears to download the finished report. Your recipient will also receive an email when the report is ready, which includes a link to download the completed report. Admins can also manage dashcams through the FleetUp Fleet Management System Companion app. FleetUp FMS's Dashcam View provides an installation button that helps you quickly add dashcams to your account and set them up correctly. You can also view dashcam events from the previous 7 days and live stream dashcam video from within the FMS app. To learn more about FleetUp, contact us at customersuccess@fleetup.com or visit our knowledge base at fleetup.com/support.